¿Y si mañana es el último concierto?
Bueno, festejemos. Festejemos.
¿Que sea?
Sí, sí.
¿Será?
No, no. Vas a ver mañana.
What would you do if it all came back to you? Each crest of each wave, bright as lightning. What would you say if you had to leave today? Leave everything behind, even though for once you're shining. Standing on higher ground, when you hear the sounds, you realize it's just a wind. And you notice it matters, doing what you let under your skin. Good to the taste when you step back from